And wanted to come to you today to talk to you about the news tab, guys. Go into your workstation, click on the news tab, and you will see this new article that's just been released today, guys. Check your news tab daily. Hey, check your news tab daily. Check your news tab daily. Hey, check your news tab daily. So it says here the authentic Scentsy product. I love that little logo. It says value starter kit is sold out in select markets. You can still build your team with the standard or host exclusive starter kits. After an overwhelming response to our May join promotions, we have sold out of the value starter kit in the following countries. So it shows here that in Mexico, they are officially sold out in Mexico. Although this kit sold out and the promotion is no longer available in these markets, that doesn't mean you have to stop promoting the business opportunity and building your team. New consultants can still join with the standard starter kit, or they can host a qualifying party and earn the host join exclusive kit. If you click on this detail, it will tell you about the host join exclusive kit. So this link here is clickable. As you work with your new team members, be sure to take advantage of the training for sponsors. This link here is clickable as well, guys. Lessons in the training section of the Scentsy Success for tips on sponsoring a new consultant. Thank you so much for all of your hard work, guys. We're excited to watch your teams and all of your businesses grow, guys. You are amazing. Keep up the great work, guys. But I'm surprised that this kit lasted as long as it did, guys. We have added so many amazing new team members. Congratulations to everybody who've added all of these amazing team members. Congratulations to you. Congratulations to the people who took the leap and joined for the $20. Thank you so much, guys. And welcome to the team. Welcome to the Scentsy family. Have an amazing day, guys. Love you all so much. Scentsy Spirit. Have a good day. Bye.